How to delete the messages in Discord. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the messages in Discord. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to the Google Play Store and make sure you have installed the latest version of Discord on your phone. So if you have already installed and updated the latest version, then simply open your Discord. After you open and see the chats, if you have chatted with anyone, then what you need to do is just go on the more option, which is the gear option of settings right there. And if you have chatted with anyone, when you scroll down and down, you will see the very option of leave server, or you will also see the very option of settings on the top right side. So you will see the very options of members right here. So if you have chatted with anyone, then you will see the very option of delete the chats. So just tap on the delete the chats option if you have ever chatted, then that's done. That's how you can just delete the chats on the Discord. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. Do try it and see if it works or not. So if you like our video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.